In the name of Allah. In this video, welcome to Titan Coding channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that what is behind a singing page, and we're going to create a responsive, dynamic, and safe singing page together. Okay, and I'm going to use PHP 7, HTML5, and CSS3, and also Bootstrap 4 to create our singing page. And also I'm going to use PHP Storm app, and also I'm going to use the XAMPP server. Okay, like this. Okay, at first we come to PHP Storm. It's take a few minutes to be ready. Okay, I think it's ready. I come to files and create a new directory by the name of singing page. In singing page, I'm going to create new PHP file, and the name is index. Okay, I'm going to create a new directory by the name of process, and inside process I'm going to new PHP file process.php, and again inside new directory called, for example, welcome. And inside welcome I'm going to create new PHP file, and that's going to be welcome.php. Okay, at first I come to index.php and create my HTML files here, and also I'm going to use Bootstrap, so I link my index.php to Bootstrap CSS here, bootstrap.cs. Now I'm connected to Bootstrap files. Okay, and this is going to be singing page. Here at first I come and create div by the class of container, and inside it I'm going to create by row, and row class in Bootstrap for divide our web page into 12 parts, and this is make our work very easy to create a responsive web page. Okay, I'm going to create new call medium. MD means medium 6, tab 6, and this div is going to use 6 part of these 12 parts, and if we think that row is equal to 12 parts, then our call MD medium is 6. It means that our call MD is using 6 parts from this, and now 6 other parts are empty and unused. And also I came here and take another class by the name of call SM. MD means for medium screens like laptop, like tablet, like iPad, and like this. And SM is for phones, for small screens, for example for Galaxy Note 5, M31, and many other. And we have something called LG, but we don't use it very well. Okay, here I'm going to create a new class by the name of cart. I'm going to cart, create a cart, and inside it I'm going to create a cart header and also a cart body. These two tags, these two class design at first this create a cart for us inside with this size, and this class create a cart header for us and cart header for us. I should close it. A cart header for us, and this is going to create our cart body. Okay, inside our cart header I'm going to set a dot cart title, and this is going to be seen in place like this. And if we want to see the result, we should, because PHP is a server side, we should start a server, and I'm going to start it with example. Okay, I come here, take this, come to files, singing page, like this. Okay, our cart header at the first, our cart has created a cart for us, and inside it we create a cart header, and this is our cart header, this, and cart body is this type. And we can also set the color. For example, BG means background, success is a kind of green, and text white. It means the color of our text is going to white. Okay, this is very good. Also, this should not be here, this should be H2. This is much more better. And also I should to give a MGM. M means margin. Auto. Now it come here. Okay, I told you this column, this 6 is using 6 part from our 12 part. For example, if I set it 12, and this laptop I'm using, and this is a medium screen, and when I stick it into a small like like this, this is a small, and it showed that inside a phone our size is going to be show like this. Okay, I set it 12, and I come here, and you can see that this is using all the space around it. Okay, I came here, for example, I set it 8. What is it? Cool. Okay, 8. This is going to be bigger, and we can use it from 1 until 12, until this size. And if we put 13, this is not going to understand how much do you mean. Okay, 12, and this is going to be 6. It's better. Okay, like this. Inside this I'm going to create a div, and this colors is form. Okay, inside cart I'm going to create a form, and a div form group. Inside it I'm going to dot mb3. mb3 means margin 3. Now margin bottom 3, and inside it we create the label. We don't set 4, and this is going to be name, and if you come and create an input, type text, name is name equal to name, and also here class. We set the class form control, and okay, let's see our result. We create something like this, and we don't waste our time creating and writing CSS codes. Okay, and it should have placeholder, and please enter your name. Please enter your name. Okay, and we why man, why? Pass. Come here and take another copy because I need it. Control V. I delete the label one, and this is not going to be, this is going to be submit or button, and name is going to be, we don't need name actually. Form control, please hold the praise enter your name. Okay, we create something like this, but I think this is going to be better if we set this btn. This now btn means button, and we set the color btn success like this. We create login page like this. Okay, please enter your password. Okay, I think we are done in our HTML. We come to process. At first we come and set the action. We should send our details to process.php, and here process.php is okay. And we come and set the method. We have method post and method get, and at here most of the sites use the post method, and I think all of the sites use post method for their forms. But if you want to create a search box, you don't need to set the method post, and you can set the method get. But be careful when you want to create a form, and if you want to that your form have a high security, please use the post. And this is going to be better because get work with URL, and everybody can see this. Okay, I come here and create a variable var, and inside it I'm going to collect my details, $_ post by the name of what was that, name, Control C, and inside it Control V. Like this. And remember to write your details inside a quotation or double quotation. For example, if I delete this is going to be wrong, and this is going to be better if you put it inside this. Okay, it's better to set our variable name to name, and then we want to check it, did it work or not. $name equal $name. Okay, refresh the page with Ctrl Shift R or F5. Then Yusuf submit. Yusuf, it's echoing Yusuf, and anything, for example, we want, we can echo it like this. Okay, and I'm going to collect the password too. Pass equal to $_ post. It's a super global variable. Here I'm going to, what was the, I think it was pass. Control C, Control V. Okay, now we collect the data from here, these two inputs, and we want to set if and else for it. For example, if you type Yusuf, and the password was, for example, 12345, and you press the submit button, and it come here, it will come here in this page. And if you write a wrong name, for example this, and wrong password, this will give you an error. Okay, we come here and say if dollar name, anything you write inside this was equal to, okay, I'm going to comment. I'm going to create a super global variable session. At the first I should session not abort, session start. When we want to create work with super global variable session, at the first we should select or session start before our session. Okay, now we come and set our session. Dollar underline session. Be careful to use the capital letters when you're creating a super global variable. Dollar underline session. The name of this session is user, and the value is Yusuf or Joseph. I think it's like this, but I'm not sure. Okay, and we come and create another super global variable session, and the name is, for example, password is equal to, for example, 1234, and we come and set our if dollar name, it means anything you write here, was equal to dollar underline session user. Okay, user. If dollar name, it means anything you write here, everything you write here was equal to dollar underline session user, or and dollar pass, anything you write here, not here, was equal to dollar underline session password. If this was true, do this. Do header as into what location, welcome, I think process, we are here, you should go inside welcome, welcome inside this folder, and welcome.php, welcome.php. okay, let's check. Yusuf 12345, submit. Okay, we come to Joseph, it wasn't Yusuf, Joseph, and 12345, submit. Okay, now we are inside welcome.php, not in process. So we are going to set our else. It means if this was not true and our dollar name, everything we write here was different from Joseph. Okay, if this wasn't true, header as do location back, but index.php, and we can refresh the page. Our Joseph and 12345, submit. We are inside welcome.php, and if we write wrong and 12345, this is true, index.php. okay, don't let us to go inside welcome. and it's better to put an exit after header. It's going to help you to have more security. Exit. Okay, then you come to welcome, for example echo. Okay, here I forget a point. We want to, if we say here for example, if this was not true, create and get method, and the name is for example wrong input, and we come here and create an alert. This. Okay, dive. This is going to be inside our row. Dive, and the class is call smd6. We come and alert tab alert alert danger is better, and we inside it become h2 and say username. Okay, name or password is incorrect. Okay. Name or password is incorrect. We don't want to show it now. We come here and say if no, here I come and create a PHP tag, and inside I'm going to set an if ESET. It means there was something like this. If there was an entity, for example like this, and if this was active, meaning like this. If ESET $_get. What was $_get? We set here wrong. This was our method, and I did here and create a PHP and control this. Okay, if this was true, if you get something like wrong from this page, echo this alert. Okay, I'm going to show the result. For example, I type a wrong value and submit. Okay, name or password is incorrect, but if I type the true username and password 1 2 3 4 5, it's going to welcome that PHP, and inside we are going to echo hello. Okay, so, and there is another point. We come inside it, another session start. If ESET, I explain about ESET $_session user, if there was an entity with these properties, or and also we need password too, and ESET $_session password. If this was true, echo hello what, hello dot dollar underline session user, and else if this was not true and there was no entity like this, header location back to index.php. okay, refresh the page. Okay, it's wrong, it give an error. And if I say, for example, Joseph 1 2 3 4 5, hello Joseph, and if I this was about our singing page. I'm glad, and I'll be happy if you like and subscribe our video, our channel, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Goodbye. Have a nice day.